Did you know that January 13th is labeled National Quitters Day? This is the day when majority of people who set a New Year's resolution give up on their goals. Now, here's the thing that most people won't tell you about National Quitters Day. It's not because people are actually quitters or that they're lazy or that they don't want it bad enough. It's because they don't have a strong enough why to actually see their vision through. I'm a firm believer that when you have a strong why, it makes room for the how. Let me give you an example. When I started writing my very first book, I had no idea how I was going to come up with the money. I had no idea how I was going to find the time. But every time I found myself adopting limiting beliefs or making excuses to why it couldn't happen, I'd remind myself of my why. My why was to leave a legacy for my daughters. And me laying in bed when my alarm clock went off to write didn't help me leave a legacy. Me buying Starbucks and extra things wasn't going to help me leave a legacy. When I kept this why in the forefront of my mind, it made it possible for me to see my vision all the way through. I noticed that my actions started to reflect the decisions that I wanted to make. I noticed that I started to adopt beliefs like my next level self, and in turn, my success reflected just that. So as you consider your goals and how to maintain that momentum, I challenge you to prioritize your why and keep it in the forefront of your mind, because when you know your why, you can make room for the how.